Kalimera and welcome to our new lesson where we learn modern Greek. Until now, you've learned some basic things, but now, by popular request, we will do days of the week. There are other things that we could do before that, a few more rules, but because you wanted to, today we'll learn days of the week in modern Greek. Πάμε! We will start and we will end with the same day. What? It's because in Greek language and in Greece, the main day, the first day, the most important day of the week is, you can guess, Sunday. Standardized, it's day number 7. But in Greek language and Greek brains, Greek souls, it's number 1 day. The word for Sunday is Kyriakí. Kyriakí. It comes from Greek word Kyrios, which means main, or Kyrios, which means sir, Mr., Lord. I'm sure you know now why it's the most important day. Now, Monday is the second day after Sunday, obviously, thus the name, Δευτέρα. Δευτέρα means second. Literally, second day of the week, second. Monday, Δευτέρα. Tuesday, you can guess, is the third day of the week. Tríti. Tríti, Tuesday. Fourth day of the week, number 4th, is Tetárti. Wednesday, Tetárti. So Wednesday, 4th day of the week. Until now, we've had Δευτέρα, Tríti, Tetárti, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now we go to Thursday. Thursday, you can guess, is the word for 5th. It's Pémpti. Pémpti. Be careful with me and p that are pronounced like mb, not mp, b or mb. Okay? Pémpti. So until now, we've had numbers as base of days of the week. Unlike English, where we have gods and celestial things for days of the week. 6th day of the week, or Friday, is Paraskeví. Paraskeví is not a number. Paraskeví, Friday. Okay? We've finished the work week. Let's get going to the weekend.
Yay!
Saturday is the only day in Greek language that does not come from Greek. And it's not a number. It's from Hebrew, Sávvato. Sávvato. As we've mentioned, Sunday, or the last day of the week, or the first day of the week, the main day of the week, Sunday is Kyriakí. So Saturday, Sávvato, Sunday, Kyriakí. Do you know how we say the weekend? Sávvato Fun, huh? Sávvato. Let's revise all the days. This time we start from Monday. Come on. Δευτέρα. Τρίτη. Τετάρτη. Πέμπτη. Παρασκευή. Σάββατο. Kyriakí. As you know, day is mera. Do you know when I say kalimera? It means good day. So mera is day. Week is εβδομάδα. Εβδομάδα. It's something that contains 7 of something. 7 day. And the weekend, Sávvato. Pronounce the sounds very carefully. Δευτέρα, Τρίτη, Τετάρτη, Πέμπτη, Παρασκευή, Σάββατο, Κυριακή. In the comments, you can tell me what your favorite day of the week is, generally, or in Greek, which word do you like the most? Also, don't forget that you can join my group classes, small groups, beginner friendly, in English, everything you want to know about Greek. I promise in 2 months, 3 months, you will be able to speak very, 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 very well, at least basic Greek. Send us a message or send us an email. Ask if there's something that you struggle with. And thank you so much for your trust, and be here until next time when we'll talk more about Greek language. Γεια σας!